Better, huh? Well, my whole intro didn't work because I didn't have my headphones plugged in, but I was pretty pumped up because Bitcoin is pumping up. No sound. Okay, I should be good now, right? Y'all can hear me now? Y'all can hear me now? Maybe? Yeah? I was just talking my ear off without my headphones plugged in, and that's where my input is. So, yeah, that's pretty hilarious. Okay. But yeah, I'm pumped up because Bitcoin's pumping up. I was so pumped up I forgot to plug in my headphones. But this is great to see here, watching the charts here. Bitcoin, I've got that line up top there. That's right at 50,000. So we're watching that really closely. We've gotten super close to that throughout the weekend. We just have not been able to get over that hump. I think this is the week, though, we do get over 50K with Bitcoin. Let me know your thoughts, too, down below in the comment section of this video. That would be super cool. And what is up, everybody? Welcome in. Sunday Night Live. How you doing, everybody? Hopefully your weekend was great. How we doing, McGee, Allen, John, Griggs? Loud and clear. Nice, brother. CDRO. Come on, Doge. There you go, buddy. There we go. Barry Cardano to $3 this week. Yep. I think it could definitely happen. All right. So, yeah, getting a nice pump here on Bitcoin. We're up at 49,292 here. Oh, pumping up again here. Look at this. BTC is looking super, super nice. Cavs are planning to do a Blake Griffin on Kevin Love if they're unable to trade him. Interesting. Big Cavaliers fan on the hoop side of things. But let's take a look at Cardano. It's right back to 265-ish. So that's the all-time high now, just set today. Earlier, we're seeing a nice pump here on Cardano again. We might be able to set new all-time highs here while we're on stream here with Cardano. This is going to get interesting, I think. Matic, I just added onto this position not too long ago at about $1.42, I think. It's back up to $1.61 now. I knew a pump was coming, and so Matic had this nice little run up here yesterday. As you could see, these series of green candlesticks took us all the way up from 154 to the top here at 170. I think Matic is going to have a nice little ride here during this crypto bull run. Probably somewhere right around the $3 range is where I've got Matic, since it's already come up so much since that low point that it hit a few months ago. But I really think Cardano is going to be the one that everybody's watching, at least loading up. A lot of people loading up on Cardano as we get closer and closer to September 12th, right? So that's the one I think a lot of people will be jumping on and perhaps jumping off, right? So be careful with that one because I think a lot of people will sell off there. What's up, Kenzie? How you doing? Everto, how we doing, Manuel? What's going on? Anthony, what's up, brother? Scott, just checking in from work. Hope you all having a great day. What's up, Scott? Chance, Zach, ACH, still a good price to get in. Where is ACH right now? I did a video on ACH earlier today. I'm sure many of you here on the live saw it, but if you haven't, their CEO has said some interesting things here about 5 days ago. Speaking of this partnership that's coming, a lot of people speculating. I'm trying to find ACH here. I know it's on my list. It must be way down here. Let's see. Got too many on here. Is there a way to quick search this in here? Control F. Can you? Let me see if this works. Oh, it does work. Sweet. All right, so Control F works. That's pretty cool. All right, so ACH at 11 cents. Yeah, it's been as high as, what, 19 cents? No, the 52-week range, 24 cents. That's what I thought. CoinMarketCap had that wrong. They had the 52-week range as 19 cents. I thought it was 24 cents. So, yeah, I think this is still a good price target for ACH. Obviously, it would have been even better if you got in here on the 19th when it was down 6 cents, 7 cents. But, you know, there's something brewing with ACH. That's what we're hearing from the CEO. So, yeah, I think it's still a good opportunity to get in right here at 11 cents. Maybe you wait a little bit here because, you know, as you can see, we're trending down right now. So I would just be watching this really closely. Maybe we settle back in low 10s or maybe even down here at 9. Maybe that's the good entry point. I would just be watching it very close. Elmore, what's happening, man? Barry, Michael, Travis, Gino, what is up? How we doing, everybody? Andrew, one side, Kevin, Stefan, what is up? So I've got to tell y'all, I've got I'm going to airdrop this to my computer. So I've got plans for the backdrop. I've got plans for a really cool poster. One of our private community members has actually purchased it for me, which is awesome. And he's actually got 2 copies. Hold on one sec. I got this cord. There we go. So he's actually purchased 2 copies of this poster. So I might be sending another one, the second copy, over to Austin. So that's going to be really cool. Oh yeah, for those of you all checking in who forgot to hit the like button, pause what you're doing real quick. It takes 0.23 seconds. Totally free to do it. Helps us out tremendously with YouTube algorithm. So smash that like button real quick. But I'm going to airdrop this to my computer here so I could show you all this. This is a really cool freaking poster that's going to be going up right here. So as you can tell, I'm pretty excited about it. Pretty cool. I've been looking around. I wanted to get something neat. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got something else I want to bring to the table, but I'll wait a little bit later on for that. What's up, Superfly? Kalani, how we doing? And I'm going to get to all your questions here. Just give me one sec. I want to show you all this. And thanks so much for tuning in, as always. Where is my guy who sent me that? Okay, here it is. This is Tyler. Tyler, I don't know if you're out there on the chat, but thank you, buddy. I'm going to show everybody what we're doing here. Okay. So let me do that, and I should be able to airdrop it to my MacBook Air. Should be coming in. Let's see. Hopefully. AJ Tube, what's happening, man? Johnny Crypto, what's up? So Johnny Crypto and I were talking about something that I'm thinking of doing. I want to gauge the interest from the audience here in a little bit. Johnny, don't let me forget about what we were talking about in the Discord. All right, Johnny, don't let me forget. What's up, Tori? Fellow collectors, my man. Johnny, what's up? All right, while that's coming in, I know that's airdropping in. Oh, here it comes. Actually, here it comes. Nutsack, Zcash is still moving up. Nut, nice. Yeah, Zcash has been one Nut has talked a little bit about. So check this out, y'all. How about this poster right here? So for your Cardano lovers out there, Ethereum lovers, XRP, AMP, and Crow holders, pump and hodl. That's going right there. How cool is that? That's going to be going right there. And I got to put some kind of spotlight on it too, you know? Spruce it up a little bit. But that's going to be going right there. So that will be pretty cool. Andrew, don't. Okay. Nice. Where's SHIB? Nice. There you go. What's up, Travis? SafeMoon just got hacked. LOL, tried to warn you all. Really? I haven't heard that. That is interesting. Yeah, so that poster, it's 24 by 36. He got this over at collage.com, and you can build them over there, I guess, which is pretty sweet. So yeah, pump and hodl, that's going right there. And it's a 24 by 36, is that what I said? That's pretty large, right? That's 2 by 3, 2 feet by 3 feet. That's pretty sweet, right? That's going to be pretty sweet. Wait, Elmore, but don't do it? Why? Why wouldn't I do it? What's up, Patty? What price will BTC be in 2030? 2030. Probably $1 million. Probably $1 million. I mean, we're thinking 100x this year, right? I mean, the way Bitcoin has moved up over the years, I mean, I can definitely see 800,000 to $1 million. You know, a lot of it just depends on where the world is, right? I mean, by that time, who knows? I mean, Bitcoin would have probably surpassed gold as the, you know, stored asset, and, you know, gold is $10 trillion market cap, and Bitcoin's been as high as a little over 1 trillion, but it's not there right now. SHIB's getting a nice little pump here, small pump. Okay, all right, come on, SHIB. Let's get a nice little pump here. So SHIB's trying to pump a little bit here. Let's go back to BTC because this is going to get interesting here. Oh, a little bit of a sell-off here after the pump up here. This could be healthy though. We'll see. ETH, what are we doing here? Same thing. ETH had a nice little pump, and then look at Ethereum and SHIB right now. Pretty similar. Yeah, pretty similar. Doge and SHIB though. Those are the ones that have really been following each other closely. Not towards you, Zach. Drive an ATM. Oh, gotcha. Zach, get the Rocket LED light on Amazon. Rocket LED light on Amazon. Let me write that down. Tori, could you send that message to me on Discord so I don't forget? It's probably a cool light, huh? I'm guessing that would light it up pretty sweet. When do you think SHIB will eat a zero? Man, I think it's going to be this September. I really do. I would be really shocked in the next month if SHIB doesn't eat a zero. With or without Coinbase or Robinhood, with or without. I just think this market is so primed to pump with all of the goings-on, with all of the major assets. It's just, it's looking super bullish. And, you know, the stock market is not looking super bullish. So I think that lends itself to a perfect situation here as we head into quarter number 4. Was trying to say to Anthony, I don't like Apple scanning photos, seems sketch. Oh, gotcha. What's up, Daniel? How you doing, man? Glad you got to catch the live stream. You might have to move that shelf. Yeah, you know what? I don't know. 3 feet? It's going to be really close. I think I've got 3 feet there. It's actually bigger than you think, but yeah, we'll figure it out. We will definitely figure it out because that thing's going up. Maybe I'll just hang it down here and let it, I don't know. We'll see. I'll figure it out. John, thanks for the super sticker, man. Appreciate it. My profit is coming back to the market. Is coming back. Nice. Travis, agree. Yep. I guess you're agreeing on the Bitcoin prediction. My profit. Okay, got that. That's when Webull will list SHIB, so maybe then. Yeah, Webull, I don't know. I've heard September 6th. I don't know exactly when it'll be, but you're right. I mean, that should happen in September. That should help us. But I think just the market going up will help us. I mean, let's go back to SHIB here. SHIB got as high as, at the top here, got as high as, it got higher than that, right? Pretty recently. Where did it get to up top here? I don't know why this does this sometimes. I got to like resort it then. Let me see, hold on. Let me resort it. It's been giving me issues, this trading view, all of a sudden with the way they set up the bars. I don't know. Okay. That's better. All right, so not really, huh? Oh, this is ETH, SHIB. Let's go to SHIB. All right, so here we go. It got all the way up to 948. I mean, this is what? 6 days ago, it was at 90948, right? We got so close to smashing a zero out of there. And there's really no big catalyst. It was just the overall market was green. That's all that happened. Overall market was green, and SHIB kind of pumped a little bit higher on its own. I mean, I think that is going to happen in September, and we get past that level right there with or without a catalyst. With a catalyst, I think, you know, that's going back into that FX Street article where I think we could be heading to the 12 level, the 1-2 level, as long, you know, if we get a Webull and let's say a Coinbase listing, right? But you know what? I was reading some more on Coinbase Institutional, and I want to talk about this for a minute. Just talk at you here for a second. And I was reading a little bit more about, you know, kind of what they do. So I just a couple quick nuggets that I wrote down here on my handy dandy notebook. So Coinbase Institutional, couple notes. MicroStrategy uses this. Okay, MicroStrategy, the big company that holds a ton of Bitcoin, they use Coinbase Institutional. Okay, so institutional money. How about this on Coinbase Institutional? Coinbase Institutional saw institutional money. Well, I mean that's the platform they're using, but the statistic I'm actually showing you is institutional money going into Coinbase versus retail. Okay, institutional money doubled retail volume in quarter number 2. 40% of institutional money, from 2021, from 2020 to 2021, we saw a 47% increase in institutional money going into Coinbase Institutional. A 47% increase from 2020 to 2021. That is so bullish for crypto in general. Institutional money is catching on. And us, you know, the retailers, at least people, you know, into crypto like all of us, we're already here, right? And I say this a lot, I probably don't say it enough, but we are early in this crypto game. We are super early in this crypto game, and it's just getting started. Okay. Now, there's going to be ups and downs in the market. There's going to be ebbs and flows. There's going to be bear markets and crypto winters and all of that, right? As we know, Bitcoin moves in cycles of every 4 years. But just know that we are super early to this space, okay? Very early. So there we go. So here we go. Let me catch up in chat here. What is up? How hard should we smash the like and subscribe button, bro? As hard or as soft as you want, as long as you hit it. I'm down with that. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you haven't already. If you forgot to do that, you've already kicked off your shoes and kicked your shoes off and got settled in. But that would be huge if you hit the like button. John, what's up? Is TradingView free? They have a free version and they have a paid version. I'm using the paid version here. It's like $14 a month or something like that. I've found, for creating content and also just for my personal use, I found the $14 per month to be more than reasonable. I've really got a lot out of it, so I think it's a really cool tool. It just makes it so easy to click back and forth to different assets. You can look at and learn about the technicals, right? So you pull up this little, y'all can't see that, but there's a little button down there that says more technicals behind my camera. You pull that up and it shows you obviously the moving averages, gives you a summary here. But then if you come down here and let's say simple moving average, we can click that and it pulls up a new tab and it says what simple moving average is, the SMA, and it tells you a little bit about it, right? Oh, look at this one, how I see Link progressing. I just mentioned this to somebody in our private community, and I'll give this tidbit out, but you can message me directly when you become an insider, okay? That level is $20 per month. But I was just messaging somebody who's an insider, who just became an insider. We were messaging back and forth today. And he was asking me about Link, that he's still in it. And the thing about Link right now, it has not moved up the way it should be moving up. Meaning it has not popped yet like the other big ones, like Solana's, like Ethereum even. It just hasn't popped up as much as it should have. Now, it has pretty much doubled in price since July 20th, but still, Link, I think, still has a ton of room to go and grow. I think, this all-time high at 52, I think it could certainly get back there in this bull run. So I think it could still pretty much double again. Okay, it's already doubled since the July 20th at this low point down here on Link. Okay, but I think it could double again. I think this is super undervalued right now. I still hold some Link. I did turn Link into something else a little while back, a few days ago. But I did that knowing that I could still buy back into Link here in these next few days, knowing that I think, not knowing, but thinking that thinking it'll move back up. So that's just my thoughts on it. Not financial advice, of course. What's up, Zach? Can't wait for that poster. Tyler, my man, yeah. Can't wait to get it, dude. Thank you for making that purchase, man, and donating it to the squad, man. Appreciate that. Nuts got a super chat. If you're a long-term holder, I highly recommend you start putting your crypto in a ledger. Yes, Nutsec, that is something I need to learn more about myself, and something I've heard a lot of people say, and I'm looking into it now. I was actually looking to add some of those. I was actually looking to add one of those, and I was looking online to see kind of what's what. We actually have a space for it on the Discord, so I'll be reaching out to people on there. If you guys want to direct message me, anybody out there in our private community, if you already use a ledger. I don't use one yet, so but I'm going to be shifting some funds over there. I think Nuts right, especially what we've seen in the last few weeks, with a few hiccups, we'll say. I don't want to even say the word, but it is a safer route to go, and I appreciate that, Nut. Thanks for the super chat. And yeah, Nut, if you recommend one, please, anybody out there, if y'all recommend one, throw it in chat. That would be super cool. Kenzie says Nano X, question mark. If SHIB gets to 0.01, that's going to be an amazing sight to see, man. Yeah, Sterling, no question. Jacob, what did you ever get a Jade green card? No, I did not. If so, what do you think about it so far? I have not gotten one yet. Jacob, have you? Have you enjoyed it? ACH to 150, Junior. I don't know, man. I'm interested to see what this partnership's all about, though. Elmore, help Zach track his performance. Like and subscribe now. Appreciate that, Elmore. Thanks, brother. Travis, what's up, bro? Vechain about to be the next one on my list. Like it. Yeah, I like it. So Nut says, yep, that's the one he's got. So Nut is dealing with the Nano X. Appreciate that, bro. You could stake ETH directly in the ledger. Nice. Yeah, I got some staked in the exchange in Coinbase, but I've got a few other dangling out there that I could stake over on the ledger. So appreciate that. I know Anthony has talked about that too. So appreciate that, Anthony. Inferno, I got 1900 each. Nice. Nice, man. Inferno, I like that. Dario, thanks for the super chat, man. 3x Cardano / Bull had me smile this week. Yeah, man, I'll tell you what, Dario. This Cardano price is going to get really interesting. Here's the thing, and I respect BitBoy. I think he does a great job, but I think sometimes his price predictions can be a little crazy, okay? In a good way. I mean, always super bullish. I mean, he was saying potentially $150 per Cardano. I don't see that happening because the market cap would have to be something ridiculous. I want to say it was like 17 trillion that the market cap would have to be on Cardano in order to get there. But do I think it can get to $5? Do I think it can double again from this price leading up to September 12th? I think it could. I think institutional money is coming in. More and more people are talking about Grayscale and how they've added it. I think institutional money is going to follow their lead, follow in their footsteps. So, yeah, I think Cardano could certainly get to $5 still before September 12th. If not, then afterwards. We're going to have to wait and see what kind of event takes place, if it's a, buy the rumor, sell the news. But I think it all depends on the rollout and the reaction of smart contracts. If it's super usable over those next couple weeks and a lot of people are talking about it in a positive light, I don't know if we're going to see much of a sell-off with Cardano. I think it still has a lot of room to go. So, Nut, what's up? Thanks for the super chat. And he says, Nano X is super easy. Appreciate that, man. Kenzie, thank you. Thank you for the super chat. Got the Nano X, Zach. Tisk, tisk. Nice. Appreciate that, Kenzie. All right, y'all. We need 7 more likes in order to hit 100. I love that number. It's just a nice round number, right? Everybody likes 100. Ben Franklin. I've been looking into ledgers. I can't find one that covers all my assets. The Nano X might be a good one for you there, Jonas. Sounds like that's a lot of people talking about that one here. If BTC reaches 10 mil, do you think SHIB will reach $1? I mean, I see what you're trying to do there. I'm mopping what you're spilling. I'm picking up what you're throwing down, but I don't know. That's tough to extrapolate all of that. I don't know. Let's get to 1 cent first. How about that? But I appreciate you, Music. Thanks for being here. Sterling, Chiliz is partnered with Detroit Pistons. They just continue to add partners, don't they? Should all basketball fans be interested in that token? Yeah, I don't even think you have to be a basketball fan, right? I mean, so what happened recently with Chiliz, and I talked about this in my most recent update on Chiliz that I did yesterday, the team that Lionel Messi plays for just partnered with them. And there's a chance now that Lionel Messi individually could partner with Chiliz and Socios. So I think what Socios is doing, they are ahead of their times. I think there are going to be many, many more fan tokens in the future. But I think the fact that Chiliz is first, they've got a big advantage. And I have a small position in Chiliz. I opened up back at 24 cents. I'm holding on to that, obviously. It has dialed back a little bit today. It got up to 40 cents yesterday. I think it somewhere at 35 cents right now, give or take. But I'm okay with that. I'm going to hold it. I think it could go back up to its all-time high, which is right under $1. I think it can get up to $1 later this year. Okay, Chili Nano X is great. Everything works with it. PEP 20, ERC 20. Nice. Appreciate that, Daniel. Thank you, man. Cole only has a Nano X. Good so far. Had it for only a month, but buy only from Ledger website. Do not buy it from Amazon or any other site. I'm going to make a note of that. That is a really good point, Cole. I've heard other people say that, so I am going to write that down. Buy from site. Cool. Thank you, man. Yep, Stefan says the same thing. Appreciate that, bro. Travis, ADA will drop not enough diamond hands. Well, I don't know, though, Travis, because what, 70% of it is being staked. Now, will people unstake and sell off? I don't know. When can they unstake? Can they unstake when they roll out smart contracts? I think that is when they can do it. I don't know, but I do know there's a lot staked, and I think there are a lot of hodlers of Cardano, so it'll be interesting to watch. Should I swap Dogecoin to Vechain or IOTA? Which of these coins have potential to explode? Vechain, I could see 3xing still from its current price. So I believe so. Hold on, let me see where Vechain is. Yeah, Vechain at 12 cents. I could see this 3xing this year in reality. And its all-time high would be like a 2x from here. I think we could see a 3x from 12 cents. That's how bullish I am on Vechain here. This is one, as you could see here, look what it did back when we had the parabolic movement. Here's the start of April. Okay, it was 9 cents. It tripled from the start of April to April 17th. Okay, so literally in 15, 20 days, it tripled in price. Tripled in price in 15 to 20 days. It went from 9 cents all the way up to 27. Okay, so that's what we're looking at with Vechain. That's how quick it can happen, and I think we're primed for another big breakout. It already has been moving to the upside since the 20th, where it was 5 cents. It has more than doubled, so it's up over 100% since July 20th. So up over 100% in the past month. All right, so yeah, big Vet fan. It's one of my top 5 holdings. Really like them in the supply chain management area. I think it's a built-in use case. I mean, look what's going on in the world right now. We have supply chain issues across the board. Okay, so it certainly fills a void in that regard. They're already working with Walmart China. I'm super bullish on it. So there you go. Nano X, okay, ADA will drop, not enough time. Okay, I'm there. Okay, I want to make sure where I'm at here. Zach, I believe it requires, oh geez. Let's see. Is there a network fee when transferring from wallet to ledger? Afraid fee might be high because it's ERC20 token. Any idea? Boca says, I'm not staked. There you go. Omar Vechain, baby. 5-year ETH predictions, bull and bearish. Bull and bearish. That's a good question, Tyler. All right, 5-year ETH predictions. Bull, I would say 50,000. Even that's probably a little conservative. 50,000 bull prediction. Bear prediction, 7 or 8,000. It's tough to say a 5-year window, right? But the thing with Ethereum is, in 3 to 4 months, Ethereum is going to become deflationary, and that's going to change everything. We just don't know how it's going to impact the price yet. I mean, we just don't know, but we know it's going to be really positive. So that's it, But there you go. Where do you stake ADA? I don't stake my ADA, actually, Jacob. I haven't staked. The only thing I'm staking right now is ETH. I don't know. I went back and forth on staking ADA. I just want to wait until the smart contract rolls out, see if it's really solid, and I just felt a little more confident in staking ETH. Let's go back to Bitcoin here and just track what's going on here. Ooh, 49,460 right now, y'all. Very interesting. So we are running up the BTC chart. Let's pull up the actual candlesticks here for this one. Bro, price prediction on Doge. Crypto Pro. I've said many times here on the channel, and I'll stick to that, that I think $1 early 2022 is a good target. Right now at 30 cents, so I think it can certainly 2x from now until early 2022. More like 3x. All right, so, this is ADA. I was wondering, this doesn't look like the Bitcoin chart. That looks more like the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so Bitcoin is still pumping, y'all. This is looking super bullish again for BTC, setting up for a great week, I believe, in crypto. I've got that blue line up there. That's our $50,000 mark. As y'all know, as Bitcoin goes, the whole market goes with it. So welcome in, everybody. RJB in your Discord. We got into VET at around 6. Yeah, RJB is right. We were talking about Vechain, about getting in heavy into VET around 5-6 cents. And again, you know, I'm not a financial advisor, but I throw out some opinions. Some are right, some are wrong. I'm not right all the time, but Vechain was one that we had a nice little call on. A lot of people were hopping on board with Vechain around 5-6 cents, and we've doubled our money right now. And I think Vechain is nowhere near done running this year and in this cycle. So RJB is a private community member. You can join him and over 100 others by heading over to our Patreon link. Let me put this up in the top chat so I don't have to go and refer to it as much. You can just go check it out for yourself. If you have any questions about that, drop those in the chat. I'd be happy to answer those. Okay, let's see. Just sold 1 Bitcoin to buy XRP, adding more. Nice, Nut. So what's your position in XRP going to be now? I'm curious. John, what's the difference in bulls and bears? So John, a bullish trend means a positive trend. People think the market is moving up or an asset is moving up. If it's bearish, or if somebody says I'm bearish on this token, that means they believe it's going to go down. And that could be in the long term or short term. That's where context comes in. But bull, bear, positive, negative. Easy way to break it down. What's up, Suresh? Suresh is a private community member. What's up, Hap? What's up, Suresh? Travis, I saw Vechain hits $1 at the end of the year, to be honest. I mean, Travis, it certainly could run higher than what I'm saying, around 35, 40 cents. But that's kind of where I see it. I think it's going to get past its all-time high, its previous all-time high, which is at 27 cents. I think it would take a lot to get to $1, but we'll wait and see. Nut, close to 1 mil. Wow, that's awesome, brother. That is awesome, man. Congratulations, bro. And I know you've made a killing already on XRP, and that's fantastic, brother. That is super cool. You don't have to stake ADA. You can delegate it for voting and still free ADA, stake free ADA without making. Okay, cool, Daniel. Gotcha. Nice. Sean, when are you doing a live again with Austin? Be a wild time for crypto battle between you two. Yeah, we were talking about potentially doing it this weekend. Our schedules just didn't align. I talk to Austin every single day, though, Sean. So we'll be doing another one soon. And there's a few other things I wanted to throw out there. So I've got a good friend of mine. Sometimes he listens to the channel. So Todd, if you're listening out there, what's up, buddy? Good friend of mine. Him and I grew up together, in high school. We're best friends, still best friends today. He is a financial advisor, essentially. He is working as a portfolio manager where he manages millions of dollars. So I was thinking about having him on the channel. Would that be something you're interested in? It would be a different perspective. Of course, we would ask him about crypto, but we would get just his general experience with investing, risk versus reward strategies, diversification strategies. So I talked to him about him potentially starting his own channel, and I said I would help him get there and I'd help him set everything up. And I think he has a lot of great things to say. I've learned a lot from him, and I want to bring him to my audience, to all of you. And so let me know your thoughts on that if that's something that you would enjoy. So I was talking to him yesterday about it. I think it would be pretty cool. What's your price prediction for Shiba and Dogecoin by December? It's interesting. It's tough, Gene. Dogecoin, I would say around 60 cents, 50, 60 cents-ish. Okay, I still think it could double from here, especially in December. But SHIB, I think the same thing. I think it could a little bit more than double, so that 20 range. But I think it can go way higher than that too. So, what up, neighbors? What's up, Ellis? How you doing, man? Armzilla porn rocket thoughts. Yeah, I saw it's doing well, man. I don't have any though, but interesting to watch it. That's for sure. That didn't sound right. You get my drift. Chad, is Neo still a good buy, and could it get back to the all-time high or more? I don't know much about Neo, man. I know it's been around for a while, and it had a big bull cycle back in 2017, Chad. But other than that, man, I haven't done my due diligence enough to give you a really strong opinion or thought about it, man. I say all the time, highs for Dogecoin and Shiba by the end of the year. Crow, huge long-term play, super cheap right now. I agree, Tyler. I like Crow. What's up, John V? Michael, sounds like a good idea. Yeah, that'd be cool, right? Having my buddy on. Doing a great job. Thanks, Vince. Appreciate it, man. Hey, Zach, good morning. Just woke up for work. ADA price predictions for September 12th. De Silva, what is happening, man? ADA price predictions leading up to September 12th. I think $5, man. I think $5 is a solid target. ADA right now is right on the heels of setting new all-time highs, by the way. So, watching this really closely here. Because ADA is moving up for new all-time highs. We've got SHIB back in the green. Everything looks like it's turning back green here with Bitcoin, which is great to see. BTC is up at 49.4 right now, give or take. So loving that. How about Matic? That's green right now. XRP, that's green right now. Solana, a little bit red actually. Still pumping up though nicely. Vechain, that's green. Crow Coin, that's green. What else we got? How about Doge? We getting some green candlesticks here for Doge? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're getting some action here. That's the wrong Doge. I don't know what that one is. Doge, THB or whatever. We want USD. There we go. So we're getting some action there. What else do we got? What else is moving? Anything moving high? Ooh, here we go. Alchemy. Still looking solid. Mina Protocol still looking solid. This is one, okay, that I'm watching very closely here. Audius. So Audio has sold off to $2.82, and I am looking to get in this. And I just messaged my private insiders the price target that I'm looking for here. But I'll be watching this one really close, okay? When will it break 50K? Sean, maybe tonight, right? Wouldn't that be sweet? Wouldn't take much. We're right there. We're right there. Let me know if that thing starts pumping. Let me guess, AMP is red. Tyler, why do you have AMP? Seems like anything you hold is always red, right? I understand the feeling, my friend. AMP was green earlier. Where is AMP? No, AMP is green. AMP is green. There's AMP. It's barely green. It's up over 6 cents now, so that's good. What's Axie Infinity doing? That's green, $77. Aave's barely green. Litecoin is 3% higher right now. So everything is slowly moving up. And look at ADA. I want to pay attention to ADA here. I've got Austin calling me right now. Should I answer it on stream? I'm going to answer it on stream. Hey, you're on speaker and you're live on YouTube.
Excellent. How's it going?
What's up? That was funny. We were just talking about you.
Are you doing it live?
Yeah, I'm live right now.
Well, how is everybody? I hope everybody's doing good.
They hear you.
So I was calling you to confirm about this Alchemy Pay, since I don't know if y'all were talking about it. So Alchemy Pay, you told me earlier the CEO is going to be. You said there's a new big deal coming out.
Yeah, so it's kind of a rumor right now. So Alchemy is moving up right now, but they basically said like it's bigger than Shopify. It's a bigger partnership than Shopify. That's basically what he said. Biggest partnership yet.
Okay.
Yep.
And so he said that, and he said this a couple of days ago, or is he? When did he say the announcement was coming out?
I don't think he gave a timetable on the announcement. He just said like 5 days ago in an interview. And if you look at the price action since he said that, it's moved up every day. Alchemy. Yep.
All right. Well, hey, so guys, hopefully your listeners can hear me. So guys, Zach called me and gave me a heads up on this. So I'm thinking about putting some money into it. So just to show you in real life,
there you go.
a lot about crypto.
That's so crazy. I was just telling them, I'm like, yeah, Austin and I talk, because they were like, where's Austin? You guys need to do a dual live stream. I said, we talk every day. Our schedules are going to line up here. We're going to do a lot more of them. And you called. It was like right on cue.
We had timed it perfectly.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
We'll do one. We'll do one this week, guys. Yeah, we'll definitely do one this week. Okay.
There you go. There you go. Man, yeah. Okay. All right, man. I'll text you.
All right. Bye.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
So there you go, guys. There you go. Perfect. Perfect timing. How about that? Tell Austin to hop on and stream with you. He said this week, right? You heard him. Did y'all hear him? How do you spell it? What's up, Austin? My Satama has bit a dust hard today. Hodl forever. Yeah. Let's see. I guess everybody can hear him. That's cool. Keep an eye on HBAR, Zach. Nut, I appreciate you keeping reminding me. I appreciate you, still reminding me of HBAR. I got to do a deeper dive on this. Nut, let me ask you. Appreciate the super chat too, man. Why are you bullish on HBAR? What's like the biggest reason? ADA just set new all-time highs, by the way, y'all. ADA is set new all-time highs. We're at 266, so new 52-week highs here for ADA as we speak. Look at this. So here goes Cardano. Another pump upwards here for ADA as Bitcoin turned the corner. Cardano has really surged ahead again here. Bitcoin is now up 1%. ETH, a little under 1%. Wow, this is big. Cardano, man. This is big. Let's see. How do you buy any AMP on any? Do any? Okay. DC, I want the full program. Yeah, I hear you, JC. HBAR. Andrew, yeah, so Nut talked about it. I want him to drop in why he's super bullish on it, because I have not done the due diligence yet, but if Nut says he's bullish on something, I listen, and you should too. I probably shouldn't. I haven't listened enough, though, because I didn't get Axie Infinity when I should have, but me and Boca both, right? Sean, what is your one coin that's very calm right now and you think will break out? It's a good question. The one that I'm really bullish on that not a lot of people talk about, that I still hold, is Decentraland. I would say that's my diamond in the rough. That you better believe one day when Decentraland explodes and blasts up like 40-50%, I'll be talking about it. Right? Let's see. Price prediction for end of the year for Cardano. End of the year for Cardano. It just depends on what happens after September 12th. I think we're going to run up for a while until September 12th. I'm curious to see about what happens about Cardano when September 12th is over. When the dust settles, if you will, right? All right, TV timeout. We've got 270 people in here. Thank you, first and foremost. Very grateful that you all decided to hop in. I know there's a lot of different options out there, so thank you very much for that. If you haven't subscribed yet, pause, do that real quick. And then if you forgot to hit the like button, we need 40 more people to do that to hit 200 likes. And I think we could do that within the next 5 minutes. I really do. I believe in you. And I know there are people out there who forgot. It's totally free, and that would really help out. So genuinely appreciate each and everybody out there. This is always awesome to do these live streams and hang out with y'all, talk crypto. I love it. I enjoy it. Cardano feels good to pick the bottom and not get smelly fingers. I hear you. Yeah. Well, I mean, the all-day breakfast. So usually I'm a all-in type of buy low, sell high, right? I just don't think this is the high for Cardano. I know it is. We're setting all-time highs, but like if somebody made a case and said, "Hey, I'm getting in Cardano with this money that I made from this altcoin that's not really that great, like a small cap," and they said, "Hey, I got this small cap profit. Should I just put it in Cardano at 266?" Yeah, I would say that's not a bad idea. I mean, because it's a much safer bet, right? And I don't think Cardano's done running right now, at least until September 12th. So. JVaz, what's up, man? What did I miss? I don't know, dude. We just, I don't really script these things, man. I just come on and we just talk. I let the chat kind of dictate where we go. So go back and check out. I don't even know what we said. I totally forget after I talk about it. But yeah, man, SHIB's pumping up a little bit here. That's nice. That's good to see. What do you think of Telcoin? I saw Telcoin was doing well today. I've looked into it briefly. I haven't done a deep dive on it. I'm not invested in it, but it's in the top 100, so it's definitely worth a look. Yeah, I forgot. Just like, there you go, Beneath. Appreciate that, man. Anthony, can you elaborate on what you said about Shiba in the 20 range? Sure, Anthony Hawkins. Yeah, no problem, man. I think we can essentially a little bit more than double from this price. Somebody asked me like kind of a baseline price for the end of the year. I think we could put a 2 here where the 0 is and a 0 here to the 20 level. I think that's doable as long as the market cooperates. Bitcoin's doing well, Ethereum's doing well, and you know, especially if we get a Coinbase and or Robinhood listing. We know we're going to get a Webull listing, which I think will help. And I think the overall market being up is going to help dramatically too, because we're going to get more holders, right? So that's what I was talking about earlier. I'm on because this is the best live stream, bro. Let's go. Appreciate that, Crazy James. Thanks, man. Hey, Zach, HBAR is a must-have in this space. Also, Quant. I've heard of Quant quite a bit, too. And Vector Space and Alliance Block. Appreciate that, Wozy. Thanks, bro. Tyler, I truly believe you'll never see these prices again, even on the dips. You might be right. You might be right. I think eventually we'll get a dip. I just don't know when that'll be. It might be close to a year from now. It's hard to tell, but we'll have some indication that a crypto winter is coming. And if we know that it's coming, we'll start talking about taking some profits. And we'll talk about that on the channel as those times come. Check out Contentos. Costs went up 50% this week. Still cheap to get in. Nice. It's hard for me to get back into Cardano because I bought it 0.08 and sold it 1.75. Well, I mean, Crypto Detective, you know, that's a great profit, but don't let that... I know what you mean. Psychologically, you're like, I should have just held. But you made money, man. And you made over 100%, right? So you can never be upset with yourself. And I've beat myself up over similar decisions. But overall, man, you know, I think you made a good call. You know, by selling and taking those profits, especially at those times. Now, the smart thing would have been to buy back in at like 102 last month, right? But still, I mean, if you wanted to buy back in and hold for a while, I think you're still going to make money again. So it's kind of the way I think of it. I talked about Audius L Grinch early on in the stream. I'll just briefly touch on it. Super bullish on it, just waiting for it to get down to a range that I want to open a position in. And it's getting closer to that range. It is down right now. It's selling off quite a bit. So it's one I'm keeping my eye on for sure. Benite Silva, what's up, man? Zach, how long do you think the bull run will last? I think it's going to go into May of next year, probably. I'm thinking April, May next year. So what is that, 6 months from now-ish? But who knows? I mean, it could go longer. We'll have to wait and see. But a lot of it depends on what's happening on in the world, what's going on in the world too, right? With everything going on and where we'll be. But if we get into a situation where inflation hits really hard, I think the crypto bull run will last a lot longer and it will be a lot hotter while we're in it. It'll be a longer crypto summer, if you will, throughout the winter. But we'll just have to wait and see. I know a lot of people, at least some of my friends and some of my people who are even way smarter than I am when it comes to investing, especially in the stock market, right? They've been liquidating some stocks and getting into crypto. And so that's good to hear. A lot of people from the traditional financial side are thinking about crypto a lot more than they usually are. And that's because of the threat of inflation. A lot of people would say we're already in inflation, but it's only going to get worse. So we'll have to wait and see. But it'll be interesting to watch. And we'll be here on the channel talking about how things are changing on a day-to-day basis. So. Hey, Zach, I'm Crazy G, friend. Just joined. Thanks, bro, for doing what you do. Let's go. What's up, Timothy Vaughn? How you doing, man? Thanks for joining in, bro. The all-day breakfast, I definitely agree. Investing in Cardano right now while DCA, dollar cost averaging, is the right way to go. Yeah, that's another great option, right? Dollar cost averaging in ADA right now is a good move, definitely. Alan Denson, welcome to the private community. I will send you some links here very soon after the stream. Welcome in. You should have that Discord link, and you can hop in there and jump into the party already. So if anybody else wants to become a private community, that link is linked up there in the top chat. We've got 2 different levels. Let me know if you have any questions about any of those perks. But again, welcome, Alan. We've had 3 new community members today. Ishmael, Yanish, and Alan. So welcome, everybody, to the private community. All right, Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on here. Let's go back to Bitcoin charts. How about that? How about that? ADA, 266.9. How about that? Oh, so it's got up all the way up to 68. 268 is the new all-time high on ADA. $2.68. Okay, Bitcoin, where are we at? Let me get a drink here. Okay, Bitcoin, still pumping. Leveling off a little bit, but that's okay. TV timeout. That's it, man. TV timeout. Got to get a drink. And it's time for you to hit the like button, too, with that TV timeout if you haven't already. Ethereum, 3,250, slightly above now. Nice 2 green candlesticks here, coming back like that. So a nice, decent little sell-off this afternoon, so you could have bought the dip down here. Not as low as I like to buy the dip. I usually like to buy it down here, right? Dip to below 3,000, that's where you go shopping, at least in my opinion. Discord information, Anthony, if you click that link up there, that link that I've pinned in the top chat, that takes you to the Patreon. The Discord is connected to the Patreon. So when you become a Patreon member on either level, you immediately have Discord access. What platforms can I purchase coins on, such as Chiliz, Theta, etc.? Chiliz is offered on Coinbase. I know that because that's where I have it. Theta or Theta. Theta is Binance, I think. KuCoin, maybe. Theta is not available. It's not available on the most popular exchanges, at least the ones that I use. So that one's a little tougher to get to. But you can get T-Fuel on Crypto.com. So that is there. That is there for you. So if you haven't hit that subscribe button too, and you're somebody new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully you hit that subscribe button. Hopefully I've done enough for you to hit the subscribe. I know it takes a lot to hit that button, but I would appreciate that. And also, if you could retweet this tweet right here, that would be cool too, to let everybody else know we're live. Spread the word a little bit, if you will. That would be cool. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, ADA is jumping and pumping, y'all. Wow, 269.9 is the new all-time high. Look at the volume coming in here too. Man, oh man. Over 200 likes right now. Awesome. Yeah, thank you, Travis. Thanks for helping us out with that. XRP has regained almost all of today's losses. Nice. Chad, oh yeah, did you find out any more on Dogecoin? I have not looked any more into it, Chad, but I remember you talking about it the other day, or was that yesterday? Days just kind of flow together. I'm not good with that sort of thing. Let's see. Min, what do you think of Ampleforth? Heard of it, haven't looked into it enough, Min, but welcome to the stream, welcome to the channel. Kyle Gino, I have 24K right now, wondering the true potential. Of which one? ADA? So what's to buy tonight or tomorrow? Omed, tonight or tomorrow, I'm not sure what's down right now. You want to buy things that are red, right? Let's see what's down. Market's coming back right now. So you don't want to buy these green ones. I would say Audius is the one, up here that I'd be looking at right now. FTX token. Just don't know if that's dipped enough yet. I would say if there's one on this list here in the top 100 that I'd be looking to buy the dip on right now, it would be Audius right now. And maybe it hasn't dipped enough yet, but I wouldn't hate it if you added here. Because it's gotten all the way up to $5 is its all-time high. I think the whole TikTok deal, that thing will resurface, and that thing's going to pump back up, in my opinion. So, ooh, Nut sent me a private message here. Let me see what he said. JPEG, let me see. What did you send me, Nut? Ooh, HBAR, gotcha. All right, transactions per second. So here, I'll share this with y'all. Let me airdrop this. So this is what Nut showed me here. So this is what Nut just sent me over on Discord. Airdrop that in for you. Hey, look, there's Nut in the background. What is up, man? That's pretty cool, though. You're still anonymous, right? That's pretty cool looking. So you get a little bit of a glimpse of what Nutsack looks like, but you still don't know. So basically, this is why he's so bullish on HBAR. We just talked about this a little bit early on in the stream. And thanks for this, Nut. Appreciate it. Transactions per second. So HBAR right now, way faster in that department versus Bitcoin and Ethereum. Average fee, way cheaper. Transaction confirmation, 3 to 5 seconds compared to ETH, 10 to 20, and 10 to 60. Very interesting stuff. So that is a pretty bullish reason to like HBAR there. I'll leave that up for a second, and now you can see the whole. Now you should be able to see the whole graphic there. That is very interesting. Very interesting. So, can you see the whole graphic there? Here, let me do that. Now you should be able to, no question. So there you go. Very, very interesting. I'll leave that up for a sec. You think ETH Classic can still pump? Nefty, I'm not a big fan of ETH Classic. I make that pretty clear on the channel, but could it still pump with people thinking they're buying Ethereum and they actually bought Ethereum Classic? That's what I think happened last time. Sure, I think it could, but I just don't think there's a reason for it to. If you're going to buy anything, buy ETH, is my opinion. Not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, but there you go. Let's see. Go pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. Nut is Elon. Maybe. What do you think of VTHO? Been hearing a lot of VTHO lately. I like it. I like it. I'd rather have Vechain though. What time frame on which one? He should have worn an anonymous mask. He basically is there. I mean, look at that. You just see the outline of him. So you kind of see him, but not really. That's pretty cool looking though. You're still anonymous. I just sent you something on Discord. Nut, got it, man. I pulled it up right here. You've probably seen this already. I know there's a little bit of a lag here. He loves it. Engine, yeah, I like Engine Coin. Engine has been doing some great work over the past month. It is basically like getting a ETF, which is like a basket of crypto in the NFT space. When you buy Engine Coin, Engine is the engine that makes the NFT space go, if you will. So it's a low-risk play that I think has a lot of room to go and grow. I like Engine a lot. AMP is a sleeper. I think so, too. Sean Spivey, but EtherScan said HBAR only had 3 holders, right? Oh, Sean, that's got to have way more than 3. It's got to have way more than 3. HBAR's on Voyager. Interesting. Okay. Chris SoCal. What's up, man? Tyler, how do you buy HBAR? There you go. On Voyager. Thanks, bro, for giving us great info. What's up, Ali? Shiba devs claim that the ETH co-founder has burned 90% of his SHIB, so how come websites still show a max supply as 1Q coins? Can't really answer that. I haven't looked at what you've looked at, and I don't want to speak on anything like that when I don't know myself. But I'll look into it. 4K used ADA. 4K USD ADA just now. Wait, what? Oh, you have 4K? Wait, where is ADA? Let's see. 270. Wow. Could it be going to 275 here? It's at 270. How nice was ADA at $1.02? Private community member, let me hear you. Private community members, let me hear you. Who got that Cardano alert? I'll give you that one away because we're far removed from it. However, let me see if I can prove it. Let me see if I can prove it. Oh yeah, here it is. July 20th. What does that say? That went out to my private community members. What does that say? It says, just bought more Cardano at 102. And the day after, I bought it at 116. Yeah. So I was pretty pumped about that. And then around that same time, I added more Matic at 80 some odd cents. Matic and ADA, two of my favorite ones that I've talked about since I started the channel back in May. And I stand by those two. Really like them. RJB, what's up? Awesome. Yeah, I know you remember that message. 102, that was just 102 was too good to be true. Had to jump in there. Any coins we should avoid at all costs? Thanks for your feedback, Zach. Jose Villanueva, and guys, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to like ADA, by the way. I'm not saying like I've got all the answers, but it's fun when you time the market right, because it's very hard to do, and I don't try to do it all the time. But when you get it right, it does feel good. So hopefully that came off as not being pompous, but just being excited. But is there anything that I would avoid at all cost? Thanks for your feedback. Ones that I would avoid at all cost. I would say maybe there's only one on the big board that I would avoid right now, and it's not XRP. Don't worry, Anthony. It's not XRP. I'm not going to say that one. Although it's a little risky. I would say the one I would avoid is Tron. I don't like it. That's the one I would avoid. For various reasons, and even then, it's not like I have this, crazy thing out for them or what. It's just, there's a lot of fishy stuff that they've done in the past that I wouldn't invest in Tron. I would just put that money in a lot of other places. What do you think about privacy coins like ARR Pirate Chain? That's interesting. I know Monero is the big one in privacy, so I'd much rather go with the big market cap one, the household name in Monero. I know it's way more expensive, but if I'm going to get into that area, that's kind of where I would look first, and then maybe add on to the smaller spots in the same space later, right? Anything with baby in the front of it, stay away. Yeah, that could be true too, Nut. I know I've talked about baby Doge here, and I actually only talked about it in a stretch where it pumped up, and then I said it was probably going to pump up when they came out with all that news with the burn, but I haven't talked about it. So it was one of those, and I said this when I talked about it, it was one of those swing trades, and that's the way I looked at it. So you can swing trade that stuff, but I agree with Nut that a lot of those aren't long-term holds. The only meme coins in my portfolio right now, I know I say this all the time, but there are new people dropping in from time to time. The only meme coins in my portfolio right now, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. That is it. They are by far, nothing even compares market cap-wise, the highest two in market cap. The next one in line is Mona Coin. It's 100 million to SHIB's 3.2 billion. Again, nothing is close to SHIB and Doge in that space. So, another recommendation for VTHO. So, I guess I'm gonna have to talk about that one more. Solana and Atom. I don't know much about Atom. I'm starting to like Solana more and more. I just don't want to buy right now at the top of the market or at the top of the price. I want to wait for a dip there on Solana, but I definitely like it. It's definitely an Ethereum competitor. I don't think it'll ever catch ETH, but it can certainly take some of the market share away from them. I'm almost to 80 trillion tokens, so I'm bullish on Saitama. Wow, that's a lot. Actually, I don't know what the price is. I don't know how much that gets you, but it's a lot of tokens. Shiba Inu coming to Coinbase anytime soon. Hopefully, Jose. Hopefully, man. Ben, what do you think of privacy coins like ARP? Yeah, there's another question about that. I like Monero first and foremost. I haven't done a lot of due diligence on the smaller cap ones though. Speak on Vechain at all. I talked a little bit about it earlier on in the stream. I like Vechain a lot. I think it can go up to about 35 cents in this cycle still. So I think that's what, like a 3x from here, from the current price. And it's already doubled since in the past month. Narcisco, yeah, that's the other one. That's a really good point. I would say avoid Internet Computer too. I'm not a big fan of ICP. I feel like people are either super bullish or super bearish on ICP. I would put myself in the super bearish category. I could be wrong. I mean, it's just one that I don't want to touch. I'd rather put my money in a lot of other things like, Cardano, Ethereum, some of the other large cap plays, right? I mean, Bitcoin, of course, Matic, Vechain. Can't see governments allowing privacy coins to survive regs. Yeah, Anthony, that's a good point. Governments allowing privacy coins to survive the regulars. Yeah, that's a good point. But if I did go with one, I'd go with the most proven one, right? Which is Monero. Mario and Tyler, definitely part of the XRP community. That community is strong, man. I've noticed that. Cardano going hard. Yeah, it is. 272. We're watching it right now. I don't want to go off it, but let's check Bitcoin real quick. Where are we at? All right, Bitcoin's kind of just consolidating here, leveling back off. Is Doge going to run up a little bit still? It's trying to, huh? Doge is still trying to run up a little bit. What's Matic doing? Yeah, Matic's running right now. XRP's running still. XLM's running. Solana slightly up. Vechain's running. Paul, I'll tell you what, I started to look into Zill a little bit. I've got to go do some more digging in it, but I like it a lot. I like it a lot, Paul. Added more XRP earlier. Nice, Andrew. Mr. Benz, how can I buy XRP? Mr. Benz, are you in the U.S.? You can go to, if you're in the U.S., you can go to Uphold. It's the best spot. $8 to $3 today or tomorrow for show. I think it could happen, Beneath. I think you're right. It could certainly happen. What are your thoughts about meme coins, Doge and Shiba? Those are the two I own. The only two I own, right there. Doge and Shiba, that's all you need, in my opinion. Right now, at least, nothing compares to those two in market cap. So, Uphold or KuCoin. There you go. Anthony says KuCoin too. Algorand or Helium? Kenny, I would say Algorand. Swap Siacoin for Cardano. Tony. Siacoin. What is Siacoin doing? Travis, thank you for the super chat. People said I was dumb for buying 20,000 Dogecoin at 5 cents. Okay, so yeah, so Travis is one of our private community members. He's always screenshotting his portfolio because he's got a ton of Dogecoin at 5 cents, and he's looking really smart right now. So Travis is waiting for that Doge pump. Thank you for the super chat, man, and I know you're up a ton already, and I can't wait to see you make a ton more money on your investment because I think Dogecoin's certainly going to go up from here. And Travis, what's your exit strategy? Do you have an exit strategy right now, or when are you waiting to sell? Are you going to sell some of it at $1, or what are you thinking? I think people would be interested to hear that, Travis, like kind of what you're thinking about all of that. And then I'll go back to that point on Siacoin here while Travis puts that back in chat, if you can, Travis. I don't know where Siacoin is on here, but basically Siacoin it's a riskier play, obviously. I like Siacoin. I would just, I don't know where your position is at Cardano right now. If you have one, so swapping Siacoin for Cardano, I need to know, like, are you making money on your Siacoin? Are you taking profits? Are you losing money? How much is it? Those kind of questions. ADA 278, yeah. It's wild. It is running like crazy here since we got on stream. I hopped on because Bitcoin was running like crazy, and I knew that as long as it kept going that we'd see a nice little run up. So Oh, here's Bitcoin running again. Nice. Here we go. Here's ADA, still running nicely. Up over 273 now, new all-time high. So the all-time high when we started the stream was still 265 for ADA. Now it's at 273. Pretty nuts. Pretty nuts. Emiliano, hey, I like this. Nice. I'm glad. Glad you're getting some value out of it. And you're enjoying it. Travis, that's awesome. Yeah, definitely. Dylan, good evening. On the Alice bandwagon, thoughts on Alice? That's that game on the NFT side that's coming out next year. People are super bullish on it. It's pretty speculative because nobody's played the game yet. But if people like the game, it could be the next Axie Infinity, right? So, Dylan, if you've done your due diligence, man, I think it's a decent dart to throw. Jack, what do you think is a good amount of Shiba Inu? As much as you can afford, Jack, or as much as you are willing to risk. Let's say that's, I know that's not a perfect answer, but it really does depend on your overall portfolio, right? And how much you're willing to risk. I mean, it's a risky play. It's certainly way more risky than a lot of other things, but it's a top, 50, 40 currency. It's on the first page of CoinMarketCap. It's in the top 100, in the top 50. So it's less speculative than a lot of other ones, with a chance to have massive returns. That's why we're all here and why we're all pretty much invested in it, right? I mean, it's almost like, why the hell not? Right? I have 29 mil right now. Okay, Jack, that's nice. I don't know your price point there on it, but I don't know, a nice whole number, 50 mil would be nice if you can buy the dip. I'm not saying go do that right now, but I don't know. I'm just thinking how I would think, not financial advice, but a nice whole number like 50 mil or something like that. If depends on what else is in your portfolio though too. JT, hope you continue the updates. I know you're about to start your busy work schedule soon. JT, I will still be doing it, man. You can count on that. I'll be here. I'll be getting up super early, putting out some videos before I go to work, and when I come home from work, be doing more YouTube videos. So I'll be here. Sean, too late. Wait, I missed that. John, what did you say? What did you say? That guy Dre, what's up? I heard that something Inu is out. Would you buy it? Felico Inu? Nah, I wouldn't touch it. I mean, if you do, throw $100 at it, man. I mean, I wouldn't go crazy with it. It's super speculative, it sounds like. We need to hit 300 likes at least. I agree, Dylan. Let's do it. 40 million seems like a good number. Yeah, 40 million is a good number too. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get all the chats. I promise I can't get everything, so don't get mad at me if I miss something. I still want to look at the prices and going back and forth. Of course, if you want me to see it instantly, send me any kind of super sticker, super chat. It could be 99 cents, and I will turn my attention right to you. But you don't have to do that, obviously. I try to get to as many as I can in chat. All I ask is smash the like button, hit subscribe, tell a friend about what we're doing, and that'd be super cool. We're at 273 all-time high, so we're right on the heels of it with Cardano again. Man, this is cool. Cool to watch Cardano run. Bitcoin is still running as well. John says Bitcoin is risky. I don't think so. I disagree. Respectively disagree, John. Will there be a dip on ADA? Good question. I don't know. Right now, it does not look very much like there will be a dip. I mean, will there be one of these pullbacks? Probably, right? That we got today, like this small pullback to 250. Yeah, probably. That pullback might be somewhere in the 260 range, though. Now, sometime tonight or tomorrow, we might, pull back to right in here instead of here, because the way this chart, has gone. It's just. I think we're going to see this continued movement up until smart contracts come out. I've said that over the past couple weeks, and I don't see ADA flattening out or heading down at least until September 12th. Let's see. Jaden, I have owned ADA since 130, but I want to get more. When is a good time to buy? That's interesting. You know, I would have said earlier right here on this dip, to be honest, but easier said than done, right? Hindsight's 2020, but I really would have. But it depends on how much you have, how long you want to hold. If you're not worried about that and you're going to hold it for 5 years plus, just get in. I mean, yeah, your dollar cost average is going to go up, but I think you're going to be set still. I mean, you can also, you know, take some profits, you know, later this year. If you were to buy in now, take some profits, hold that dry powder on the sideline, and then when Cardano dips sometime next year or whenever it dips well below your average cost, you have that dry powder on the sideline to lower your average cost back down. So that's something to think about. Oh, we got a super chat from Travis. Don't selling at $1. Oh, not selling at $1 and hoping Dogecoin it gets to $10,000 per coin, but maybe sell it in 2025. Wow. Okay, so you are planning on hodling. That's pretty cool, man. So you and the Dogecoin millionaire both are holding for a long time. I like it, man. Well, you better continue to be a private community member. I'll pay your way to be a private community member because I want to see where the heck you end up. But I think you'll be well off if you hang on to it. I think you know, the Dogecoin Foundation coming back is big news, and Vitalik and Elon working on something. I think there are a lot of big things still going to happen for Doge, and I think that's awesome, man, that you got in it, you know, where you did, and happy for you, bro. That's sweet. But you're not going to take any profits? I mean, I don't want to tell you what to do, but part of me would say, like, take some profits at $1. Maybe a little bit. I don't know. At least get your initial investment out of there. Maybe. And then you're just playing with house money. But it's up to you. Jaden, when is a good time? Thank you for the super chat, man. When is a good time to buy more Ethereum as well? Great question. And I'm going to Socially Unstoppable and GuitarX right after this. Thank you for the super chats. Ethereum 3,257. I love ETH below 3,000 right now. I just don't know when another pullback like this will happen. So right now we've got this pullback we can take a look at, so like 3,100. But honestly, like if you got in right now, it's getting right back to the top here where it was, but I wouldn't hate it, man. I mean, I think ETH could easily 2x from now until the end of the year, potentially 3x. And I think in 2022 is where we're going to see really parabolic movement with ETH. So I'm not overly concerned about buying at a certain price with ETH. Like, to me, 2,700 to 3,200. Like, I know it's $500, but like, I don't fret over it as much, right? Because I think we're just going to see a ton of movement when it becomes deflationary 3 to 4 months from now, and Ethereum 2.0 rolls out next year. So I don't think you really have to try to time it, man. Just maybe dollar cost average into it too. That's another option. What do you think about EOS with the new bullish platform? Socially Unstoppable. We'll take a look at EOS because I have not done a ton of homework on it. Okay, I don't want to sit here and give you BS and say that I know everything about EOS, and I don't know everything about anything. But with EOS, I definitely haven't done a ton of work on it. But which new platform are they coming out with? I know. Was it up today? It was up a little bit. So it's ranked number 30, huh? I do have some of the graph, which is right below that there. But EOS is a platform designed to allow developers to build decentralized apps, okay? It's relatively simple. I don't know why that's been doing this on CoinMarketCap. To make it straightforward is to embrace blockchain technology. Other priorities include deliver greater levels of scalability. Nice. EOS aims to, I don't know why it's doing that, aims to improve the experience for users and businesses while the project tries to deliver great security. Okay. Very cool. So it's allowing people to build their own dApps easily, which I think is great. And it's at a really fair price target right now too. So it got as high, what is this, back in 2018? Wow, this thing was way up there, huh? 20 bucks, 21 bucks. So I think it's a good one, man. I think it's certainly a good one. I just haven't done enough homework on it. So if you have another question socially, I will get to that because I appreciate your super chat. Have you given your opinion on Satama? Thanks. Guitar X, I have given some thoughts on it. I think it's still super speculative. I wouldn't throw a ton of money at it right now. A couple $100 I'm okay with if you got some dry powder there. But I haven't dug into it, to give you a great opinion, but that's my initial reaction. Thank you for the super chat, man. What else do we got? Is there another super chat? Did I miss one? Oh, it's Nut. Okay. Nut, what do you got? The market cap will explode by the end of the year. Only 13% own crypto around the world. Wait till next year when they see all these millionaires. Yeah, you mean the overall market cap of the market or Ethereum? But yeah, Nut, I agree with you, man. Only 13% own crypto around the world. We took a look at that before, right? You can kind of get an idea. There was one link that I really liked. Maybe we could try to find another one even, actually. But Nut is exactly right. We've talked about this on stream, too. Global crypto holders. Might be able to get something like that. So back in February, around 106 million people globally now use cryptocurrencies. I don't know if using is holding. But this one is one that I've used before. And of course, what the heck? Not going to pull up? Oh, it's coming up. Okay. Check out Boost Coin. They launched and have their own DEX. Nice. Okay, so as of 2021, we estimated global crypto ownership rates at an average of 3.9%, 300 million crypto users worldwide. So this says 3.9%. I don't know when this was done. This is only one, and over 18,000 businesses. Basically, here's the key number. There aren't a lot of people invested in crypto yet. We're super early. Bitcoin constitutes 66% of the total market cap in crypto in 2020. What's crazy is now it's 46%. ETH has cut into that tremendously in 2021. Bitcoin market cap did reach that $1 trillion number back in February. Here's some owners' demographics. 58% under the age of 34. Interesting. 82% have bachelor's degrees or higher. 36% have an annual income over US 100K. Interesting. Percentage of the population. So there you go. In the US, percentage of population into crypto, 8%. I mean, look at some of these countries. UK, less than 5%. Brazil, less than 5%. India, only 7% of what, 1.5 billion people? Australia, only 3.36%. Not even a billion yet. France, look at this. These are the rates, percentage of population into crypto. All of these places are just getting started. Just getting started. So there you go. I'll drop this link if you want access to that. That's a pretty cool link. There you go. That's in there too. Let's see. Market cap will be at least 20 trillion by 2025. Yeah, 10x from here. I agree. I agree. Do you think ADA will cost $30 to $40 in the future? Yes. How long into the future? Your guess is as good as mine, but so you could throw that 5-year window in there, I would say. Giovanni, haven't heard of that one. New to crypto, how much do you think is a good amount of money to start with? I'm planning to day trade. Mike, if you're new to crypto and you're planning on day trading, hopefully you're a really good day trader in the stock market because crypto is hard as hell to day trade, man. I know there are a few people in our private community who do it successfully. I think Johnny does some swing trade / day trading, but it's super hard, man. Just know it's not the stock market if you have any experience in day trading at all. I would do more of like swing trading than day trading, to be honest. But it's up to you, bro. I'm a hodler. for the most part. I'm a long-term hodler. Buy and hold good things. And take some profits along the way, but never fully exit my positions. There's already many wallets exchanges. ADA is going to the moon. Don't see any more dips. Oh, there will be dips along the way, but it's looking super bullish. I'll give you that, no doubt. And we're still moving up right now. 73 cents is the all-time high. We're setting all-time highs right now. How about it? Crazy, crazy, crazy. What about buying indicators? Yeah, we've got technicals on ADA. Here you go. Still showing. This is the 1 day here. Let's go into the 1 minute, huh? 1 minute, still showing a buy. Moving average is strong buy. 5 minute, same. 15 minute, same. 30 minute, same. So it's a buy right now, across the board. Pump and hodl. Yeah, man. Pump and hodl. How about that? Pump and hodl. Is this the image? No, that's the one. Oh, wait, here it is. Wait. There it is. So for those of you just coming on, a Patreon member, Tyler, shout out to Tyler Yetzer, Pump and Hodl. He has ordered me this poster, and it will arrive 6 days from now on August 28th, and it's going right there. So there we go, Pump and Hodl. You got Crowcoin up there, you got AMP, you got XRP, and you got Cardano and ETH. ETH and Cardano, my two largest holdings. Love that they're the two largest spots on the poster. That's going to be pretty cool. That's going to go right there on that wall. So there you go. Thanks, Tyler, for that, man. I'm looking forward to it, man. Do you see ADA $100 in 5 to 6 years? I think it's definitely possible. On ACH will hit $1 by November. Okay, that would be nice, Steven. A lot of people would like that. It's the wild, wild west, 24 hours a day. Yes, Mario, exactly, bro. Jose, years ago I thought crypto was a scam. Now I tell people at work, grocery stores, Facebook friends to learn and invest in crypto because it is the future. Jose, I think you're onto something, brother. I think you're a good man for letting people know, and hey, it's on them if they'll listen to you and do their own due diligence and find content hopefully like this channel. Tell them about this channel too, and many other channels too that have great content to learn. That's how I learned too, right? The reason why I started a YouTube channel because I was always on YouTube, and I was like, if I'm going to be on YouTube this much, maybe I should just start a channel too. Zach, you think we eat a zero soon? Carlos, I do. I think it's going to happen next month. If not, later this month. Global reach, yeah. I agree. I like hold over trading. Yes, Jose, definitely. From Miami, what's up, Lazaro? How you doing, man? Ralph, I'm doing well. How are you? Dylan, thoughts on Phantom? I've done initial glosses and glances at it. Glosses? I don't know why I said that. Glosses and glances. I like it, but I haven't done enough to say why. But I know it's a... Wait, FTX. Is that Phantom? FTX, or am I mistakenly saying that to be another one? I like FTX. Is that Phantom? There are too many sometimes to... No, FTX. Okay, that's not Phantom, but I like FTX a lot. Phantom, I think I like that one as well. I've looked at it recently. Todd P, what's up? You're on Discord. Oh, people are loving Cardano right now over in our private community. So if you want to become one of our private community members, that link is up at the top chat. Click that, and you'll see the two different levels. Let me know if you have any questions about that, and I'd be happy to answer those. So, ADA. Crushing it. Coming down a little bit here. 272. What's Matic doing? Okay. Anything else really popping? Ooh, Decentraland. Hey now. Decentraland at almost 90 cents. Hey now. I'm in at 65 cents, so I'm up, but I'd like to be up a little higher. Hopefully it gets back up over $1. I think it'll get back to $1.25-ish. So I'd be pumped about that. Double up real quick on mana. Probably hang on to it, though. Dogecoin moving up a little bit still. Nice. What's up, Tori? How you doing, man? The dollar will hit 90 cents in the future. Chad, I did talk about Vechain quite a bit, a few times during the stream. 8 to 10, end of 2021. Possible beneath, but I don't see it getting that high. I think somewhere between $5, $6 maybe. Realistically, how much do you think ADA will be by the end of this bull run? Actually, the end of this bull run, it's a good question because we don't know how long the bull run will last. If it lasts, all the way until, let's say, May or June, we could be talking about a $12 to $15 ADA, I would say. That's possible. But we'll have to watch it very closely. Love your videos. You always do. Always share good information. Thanks, Carlos. Appreciate that, man. Adam is pumping. I don't know if I have Adam on here. Let me see. I don't. Let me add that one. Adam is pumping. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Yeah, nice pump. Everything's kind of pumping right now. As long as Bitcoin stays green, everything's going to pump a little bit. So that's good. Omi is silent. Yeah, it has been pretty quiet, huh? Nutsack HBAR price prediction. I got to have Nutsack on a live stream if he's down. That'd be cool, huh? Have him wear the anonymous mask. I have not looked at that, M. Thompson. Tahir, thanks for tuning in from Nigeria, my friend. Welcome. Nobody knows the all-day breakfast. 1:30 a.m. here in Ireland. I'm expecting $3 ADA when I wake up. Nice, Barry. Thanks for staying up late. Okay, y'all, I think I'm going to end it and wrap it up here in just a bit, but, well, we can go for a little longer. Why not? Let's go for a little longer. I'll take some more questions. I'll be right back. I got to run to the restroom and grab some water, okay? Be right back. All right, we're back. All right, let's see here. Okay. Oh, you lost a few people, but that's okay. We'll get them back. Johnny, love these lives. Thanks, brother. Thanks for your support. Yeah, Sunday's market usually starts the upswing. Yeah, usually does, right? Usually kind of dictates what kind of week we're going to have. Do you expect a sell-off for ADA when smart contracts are out? Maybe, Kevin. We're going to watch it closely, man. Definitely going to watch it closely. Hey, fan, how are you? Socially, thank you for the super chat. Can you look at the bullish exchange being built on the EOS blockchain? It's a game changer for crypto. Billionaires of funding, which will skyrocket the price. Bullish exchange being built on EOS blockchain. Yeah, let's take a look at it. Let me, and socially, if you have a link or something like that, I don't know if it'll allow you to put it in chat, but let me see if I can find one for you. Because you sent a super chat, I want to learn about it too. Slow Your Crypto. If you've been able to get a ton on TradingView, I can access on DEX. Yeah, TradingView does not pop up. I've tried to do it slow. I don't know what the deal is with that one, man. Okay, 3 days ago, I found something here. Let's see. Cointelegraph has something on EOS. Oh, come on. Hold on. Bear with me. I'm getting it. Oh, geez. Come on. Let me load it. There we go. I'm pulling it up, I promise. There we go. Derivatives data shows pro traders turning bullish on EOS price 1 hour ago. Huh. Retail traders turn their backs on EOS, but derivatives data shows pro traders maintaining a bullish perspective for the short term. So, EOS rallied in May after Block.one, a blockchain software firm, announced a $10 billion funding round to build an EOS-based crypto exchange platform called Bullish. The EOS development company revealed that it had raised capital from Peter Thiel and Mike Novogratz, as well as the hedge fund managers Alan Howard and Louise Bacon. In light of the bullish news, the recent $6 local top stands 60% below the $15 high, reached on May 12th, and this leaves investors with little reason to celebrate. At the moment, retail traders are not comfortable using leverage for bullish positions, and professional traders have been neutral to optimistic since mid-July. Huh. Socially Unstoppable, thank you for bringing this one up. This is interesting. Analysts also pointed to a May 2nd report commissioned by Block.one that suggested an increase in inflation. Huh. Gotcha. Rate from 1% yeah. Very interesting stuff. I will drop this in chat for anybody who wants to read more about EOS. And looks like some people, pro traders, are still bullish. So there you go. I just dropped that in chat. Nut, thanks for the super chat. What do we got? Don't want to show my face because I don't want all these leeches. I get a piece of my bag when all this... Yeah, I hear you. When all they do is talk shit. I hear you, Nut. That's cool, man. You can remain anonymous. That's all good. I'm cool with that. What's going on with the SHIB reward? Haven't gotten mine. So I heard some people got theirs. Some people still haven't gotten it. I don't know what's going on with that Friday. Hopefully, I think you'll get it in due time. Mario, hello, chair. SHIB is going on a pullback. Jack Owen, what's happening? Sage and Elia, cup and handle showing on many charts right now. Bye. I hear ya. It's getting bullish to start the month. Or to start the month. To start the week. I think it'll be bullish to start the month, though, too. Dogecoin. I love it when people mispronounce cryptos, right? Especially like people in power, like, you know, like people in the Congress are like, what are your thoughts on Dogecoin? Like they're like very serious and, you know. Do you have any input on Dogecoin? What a nut. Ring the bell. That's right, Mario. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. All right, y'all. I'm sipping on some good stuff. Some brown water. I watered it down a little bit. Figured have just a nightcapper. Doji 1 Kenobi. Nice. What do we got? Oh, think about GRT. Is that grapefruit? I never got into it. Never got into it. Thanks, Ellis. Appreciate it, man. Cody Cleveland, Shiba maybe reach it. Not yet, man. Just be patient. Patience is a virtue, bro. The patient investor always wins. A little bit of a pullback here on just about everything. Cardano's pulling back a little bit here, down to 270. Any chance Nut, Moonshot, and Zach and Austin for a great group chat? That would be sweet, huh? That would be pretty cool. Any chance? Okay. Got my glass of Makers. Nice, Rusty. What do you think about NanoCoin? I saw that it was up today, but I don't know a ton about it. I wouldn't buy something when it's that high, though. You want to buy low, sell high. You don't want to buy at the top. What if somebody buys 500 mil USD worth of SHIB? What will happen to the price? That would be a big purchase. I'd have to average that out and see how many SHIB tokens that would be. I'd have to do the math on that, Antonio, which I'm not good enough to do in my head. All right, y'all, I'm going to wrap it up here. I still got to do a video or two. I'm going to try to do maybe 2 tonight. We'll see what happens. At least the late night SHIB video will be out. And maybe another one too. We'll see. Thank you all so much, though, for stopping by. Appreciate it very much. 3 more people need to hit the like button, though. We got to get to 300 at least before we end it. Thank you, everybody, for the super chats, super stickers. Very, very much appreciative. Let's get ready to have a great week, right? That's all we can do. Hopefully, everybody had a great weekend. And, yeah, let's turn the page. New week in crypto. I'm sure there'll be a ton of stuff to talk about throughout the week, and we'll be right here on the channel. So thank you all so much. Take care. Have a great one. And good night.